Hi, hello, Kabum Harot. Good morning to all of you, especially to all our my friends, foreigner. So I'm here again, cleaning and remove grass here inside the eggplant. So this is the eggplant we harvest and clean. So now, guys, we go inside to clean. So this is it. So we are now here. We are now here inside the eggplant and we clean because we are finished already to harvest. So now here we remove the grass here inside and with my cousin there, and that's the practicing how to clean the eggplant.
You put inside.
And put in the sack, inside the sack, like that. And there is one my auntie beautiful. Beautiful smiling
Oh, katawaan na kami.
auntie. Oh,
Hi.
she is my beautiful auntie and I'm a chaka boom harot charing. Smile. And now I show you how to clean and to remove the grass here inside the eggplant. Kabum harot, let's watch and learn, and please sit back and relax at isabog natin ang pagmamahal sa buong mundo. So this one, we parot-parot da root din kwan. Sabi ko ganito. Ilocano ba ke kwan mo ke bumcharot parot na hindi parot. Ayan, so we lagay there here like that, then ungap then another guyod this one, and then you pag like this, then kwan. Then this one, then you kitain the all is clear. So this one, okay, ayan, like that. Then we kabel here in the sako. Ayan, so okay, so ayan, so now I already show you my simple work, Becky boom harot, that this is the one we call boom harot na walang halong charot, ang nag-iisang Ilocanong baklang boom harot na magbubukid. And I thank you.